Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to reset a Frigidaire dishwasher. So let's get started. First, locate the cancel button on the far right side of the control panel. Here, you can see it here, right here, and hold it for at least 3 seconds until the display light disappears or changes. This is the quickest way to reset your dishwasher without unplugging it. If you just finished a cycle, the green clean indicator light may stay on even after opening the door. In this case, keep the dishwasher off for 5 minutes, then try again. After waiting, press the start button for 1 to 2 seconds to turn it back on. If the reset is successful, an error code should disappear. The start button is usually located near the cancel button or on the right side of the control panel. Here you can see this start button. If turning the dishwasher off does not work, locate the circuit breaker that powers it, switch it off for 5 minutes and then try again. So this was it. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.